Tokyo, we never found this special situations and this public space in another part of the world. This is very amazing. Tokyo is, for street photography, I think one of the best places. It would change their perception of the environment. I'm more a collector. I'm changed my perception. I'm looking for maybe flamingos and this one. So I collect these things. Meanwhile, I'm collecting. I see other things and maybe really big shots, and I think, oh, and then I made this big shot nearby while I'm collecting. And this collecting thing has a really big advantage. You have all the time the camera in your hand, and you have all the time looking at something. I'm not the photographer who's waiting at the corner and for the, oh, maybe it's it. No, I'm more the walker. I walk and see and look and take pictures. But I'm still on the street. That's my real passion, to take photos on the street. So that's, I think I'm not finished.